Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 5th, and this is my recap of the top 5 videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are all included for only $30 per month. So, in a ways, the pound dollar did continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. I was thinking that today we were going to get a push down for a wave C to complete what I thought was an ABC correction, but that didn't happen. And the fact that it did break structure to the upside last Friday tells me that the trend is up, so we definitely should be leaning towards longs anyways. I didn't try to sort it today anyways, but yeah, I mean, with this break of structure, we definitely should be looking for longs. We are at a Fibonacci level, so the pullback is pretty not surprising at all. We have non-farm payroll tomorrow, and this could possibly still be an ABC correction on the higher time frames. So if non-farm payroll causes like impulsive up and then a break of structure like that 3, 4, 5 state that you see at the end of trend, then I definitely still would take it as a sorting opportunity if it shows us this picture right here. If it does not show us this picture and instead keeps on pushing up, then I would just focus on looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.